do a live stream today too. Let's see. The problem with me live streaming, like I said, sometimes I don't get any trading. It's but I'll be on live. Come on. I think it's not in focus. I'm trying to focus it. There we go. Tesla. I like the Tesla play. Might have to go long on Tesla. That's a push from Tesla right there. Damn. All right, be patient. It's not even been 5 minutes yet. I want to jump into trades already. My options. Okay. Earning tomorrow? Yeah, earnings. No, Thursday. So most of the earnings is on Thursday, the big one. Hey, where's my water? I'll be back. I'm gonna get my water. Let me make sure and everything's working correctly. Okay. WeWap is 27 to 54. So you guys know. We are underneath WeWap. What's up, Cam? I haven't long yet. This is not a big push towards the open range high. One big push, retest, and then we can probably test. We can probably go long and then test 27, 952. That's previous day low. If we get that push, retest, and we can go back long. But right now, this doesn't look like a strong push up. So I'm just holding back, being patient. We're still underneath like the REWAP. We're still underneath the 21 EMA. We're still very much in a still bearish pattern as far as all the indicator goes. That's nice. That's not a little nice push up. I see it. I see it. Okay, now I'm gonna go back into the 1 minute, see if we can get it pulled back. Now pull back retest around here. That's where I would probably go along. See, let me see if I can put the REWAP on and see how accurate this one is at. Okay. 24. Yeah. Important line status. It doesn't even do that. What the? Yeah, it's pretty bad. It's supposed to indicate the REWAP here too, but it doesn't. Anyway, that's a VWAP. Not as accurate, but it's on in there. What I have is at around 27 251. We're at 27 244 on here. The trading view is a little bit higher. push right into rewap. Rejection. SPY is above VWAP. So it's QQQ. If you're looking at those indices, but in the future, we're below VWAP. As far as data go, I think there's nothing much on the docket. Up on social media. Trump to meet King Charles, 810. U.S. CB consumer confidence. Other than that, really nothing substance. Yeah. Oh look, the VWAP changed. Now it's down here. Oh look, the VWAP's now is up there. Oh look, it's back down now. 1 minute. Fucking top steps, man. I'm waiting for a retest within the zone. So long. But we are hitting VWAP resistance so far. How long that lasts? Like this very good scenario. Even if we miss this long, there's a good possibility of a rejection here, previous day low. That's another play I'm looking for. If I miss this long, I'm looking for rejection here. If this come back down here, I'm looking for a long get back to the previous day low, then possible rejection there. So there's two plays here. So right now we're in the middle of those two plays. So I'm hands off. And if I don't get a retest and I miss it, it's okay. I've, that's better than trying to formally enforce the trade. If I don't
Do
get,
you have 5-day already?
yes, I do. But on Trader5, I need to get 9,000 in balance before I can get withdrawal on the funding account.
Really?
Yeah.
On the 150?
On 150K, yeah, you need 9,000 balance.
What?
Yeah.
They don't let that like that?
No.
150 every day?
No.
Oh my god.
Only
For
if
the fund account.
only if you go to the growth account evaluation and pass, then yeah, they have the. But on the Lightning funding account, they have a different thing where it's 20% consistency and your balance has to be 9,000 for you to withdraw,
Oh my.
which is
Oh
fine.
my.
I'm okay with it. Not a big deal. That's about 2 weeks. If you make about 300-400 bucks a week, that's about 2 or 3 weeks. You get to 9,000. Pretty simple. No rush. I'm not in a rush for it. We tapped to rewap just now, and we reject, kind of rejecting here. Ooh. Yeah, it was just we're just rejecting off rewap right here. Let's see. Meta recovering pretty nicely. Microsoft doing pretty nice. Okay, so we run into a rewap rejection here. Failed to make retest previous day low. Might have to short soon. This guy, he just coming in this trade and just post winnings. Where do you go? I thought I saw a post. 10 o'clock. There's a rewap rejection here. There you go. That's why. Yeah, you definitely should be happy with that. New account?
That would be a nice rejection.
Yeah, that's nice rewap rejection. So if you, like I said, if you focus on the strategy and your strategy is rewap, that's your sign to end the short there. You know, one of the things I look forward to is rewap, but then I'm hesitant, very hesitant. So I feel like I missed the move, so I'm not going to short it.
The one thing I learned that I should face it.
Chasing, yeah,
But yeah, chasing is just loser.
chasing is bad. Yes. Yeah, I woke up this morning too. I saw the drop. I was like, yeah, I'm not chasing this. Even though I shorted earlier than that, I think I learned that. I think Ace, he was in the same short as me, and he held longer than me. Like he made one con, he made 500. That's really impressive on XFA.
I ended in one con.
Yeah. So you know how long he held it. He held it for a long time. Here we go with the dip short coming. All right, so I'm waiting for a retest here for rejection bounce and maybe see upside. But if that's not gonna happen, then this orb break high failed. So this is where a perfect retest will give me um time to enter long and go test previous day low. So I need a bounce here. Yeah, I need some kind of bounce here. Come on. No bounce? Nope. You're not there yet. A little bit more bearish lean now that, if anything, we're now in a bearish lean. Short has opportunity to come down to 27,000 even if we're going to continue short. That's a good area to target. There we go, bounce here. That looked like a retest there. Okay, I'm gonna go long if this candle closes is green. I'm gonna wait for a couple more candle, I guess. Let's see how strong this candle is. That feels like a retest into my level and a bounce here, so gonna wait and see if that's a real bounce or not. See if there's some kind of continuation here. All right, I'm going long. I'm gonna stop at that bounce and try to target the previous day high. Previous day low, I mean. I'm at 193. Stop is at 138. TP at 294. I am in long, guys. We need to push from Nvidia, Meta, Apple. Tesla doing decent right there. No, I went a long Tesla. Damn, the IV is crazy though. Well, let's see if it takes it. I'm long Tesla. Let's see if it gets bid up. Never got filled, of course. Oh, now I got filled. Nice Tesla. Nice. There we go. I haven't done much here. I'll put this on a 2 minute. Good push. Come on, get a strong push up. That's a pretty long chop for a while. Where entry is at. Come on. Break above, man. Come on, buyers. Bring above previous that low.
Order filled.
Took one size off. There we go. We've hit something. There we go. Finally making a move. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, I'm taking
Order
the size
filled.
off and I'm trying to break even here. I'm okay with that. Just adding to our profit. Just holding to just one runner. Holding just one runner here, and my Tesla play. I think I'm gonna go take some money off that too. 150 bucks. I can hold a little longer actually. Tesla, 33%. Let it ride. We're in a bullish thing. Yeah, I just mine to break even now. Like it was been chopping for a while. I'm gonna take advantage of that as soon as it go up and just trim some size. Do like the move. I do like the hold. So if I can get 200 more up here, whatever. I'm gonna hold it from here. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get my kids ready for school. But we are in a winning trade, guys. So manage your risks correctly. we're still in it. Tesla, don't do that. Tesla. I want to see 384 Tesla. Come on. 384. I'll take profit. All right. All right. Still bouncing, ping ponging here.
Order
Oh,
filled.
and we're out. Stopped out. That's okay. All right, trim two sides. Did not turn that trade into a losing trade. I'm happy about. There is still potential upside here, but I'm not gonna chase it, right? Not gonna chase it. That brings a total of 317 bucks. Yeah. Let's do it in a different account. See what would have happened if I just held
Order
in
filled.
and put my stop there. I'm not in the trade. This is just practice account now. I want to see if would have played out if we just jump back in too long. It's a nope. Would not end up right.
Order filled.
Starting to lean bearish now, honestly. We failed to push up higher. Got a bearish lean. Oh my god, Tesla, don't do that to me. Where are we relative to things? We're still rejecting that rewap pretty nicely on the 5-minute in trading view. Don't look at this stupid. Oh, you know what? I hate this rewap. I'm taking this out. Once again, this rewap is retarded. But yeah, we were rejecting the rewap on trading view. Really nice. Looking, it's holding. Bar definitely trying to come back. Still very much under VWAP though. Should break out of that. More of a bearish lean right now again. That's not why I gotta do that to me. Looking good. I'm gonna short this.
Order filled.
Looking very bearish. I'll put my stop at 27,235. I'm in short at 180. 180. One con. 180. Stops at 235. GP, and I want to see test of the low. I think we break down low. We might see even lower than that. That's the orb low. Since I'm looking for like $200. 2780 sounds good. 80 TP. Like, make it happen. Come on. Make it happen. Here we go, guys. If you guys need more than one con, definitely take some size as we start to come down here. Play safe. One more candle down and I'll adjust to break even because I'm gonna play safe. Actually, I'm adjust right now. Adjusting my stop now a little bit. I would like to see another sell candle. I think that'll bring us down further. I'd like to see us take out this right here. Take that pivot point. That's 27,140. Take that out. Here we go. There we go. I'm gonna adjust the break even now. You either take some profit or take adjust the break even, but adjust your stop. I'm making mine as a free trade. Risk free trade. Not gonna give anything back now. Looking for a 140 to crack. This breaking if 140, we have a bigger chance of it coming down further.
Order filled.
Well, broke even. Stopped out. I'm okay with that. That's why I adjusted to break even. Let's see. That was another small move, but definitely something you guys could take some profit. So, looking at this market sell, I'll come back in if this candle drops and then take over this candle again. That'll be 27,147. That's my stop sell order there. We will come back down. This ensure that I'm not gonna chase up long and I'm not gonna chase down short until I see another level break. Seller can bring back down to that level again. It's gonna give me my entry, and I want to see more. Yeah, yeah. Go ahead. I can hear you.
You said
That's on the
that,
that's on the Lightning funded account. They have a lot of program. The Lightning Fund account, instant funding. Yes, that one. Yes, yes. You need. They need $9,000.
You have to have total.
You have a total of what?
You have total 14,000.
14,000.
14,000 before you can. You have 5.
No. You just need 9,000. No, you only need 9,000. As long as your balance is 9,000, you can withdraw. Yes.
5,000 more.
Yeah, for me,
So now you have,
yeah, I need 5,000 more.
when you bought it, they have 5,000 already.
When you buy the account, you have 5,000 and something as your DLL, meaning like if you break that, you blow your account. That's all that I mean. You don't mean it doesn't mean you have 5,000, add another 4,000 to it. No, you start at zero. That's how much they're you willing giving you to trade until your account is blown. So you have to make $9,000 in profit in your balance, your deal. So you have 150K, right? It was if your account should be 159K. In other words, and then you could take
I see what you mean.
Yeah.
I see what you mean. Got it. So next.
No, it's like it's not bad because 150K. If you're doing maybe 15 cons or something like that, aggressive, you can get $9,000 pretty easy. I'm just taking the slow route, just playing it easy, taking it simple day by day. That's why it takes me a little bit longer, but I'm okay with that. You know, it stretches out my account. I'm not looking to make $1,000, $2,000 a day, which you can. You can keep that consistency and then also get a payout. Remember, you still have to have a 20% consistency too. You can't have like big swing days.
I see.
I think this is it for me. I want to show